Hello, welcome to Nursing with Professor B. In today's video, I will be doing a review of the Summer's Editor's Box. All right, before we get started, make sure that you hit the like button, make sure that you subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell. Let's go. So a portion of the Fabfitfun box goes to, they always pick a charity, and this particular one is partnered with Special Olympics, which is very near and dear to my heart. My first job out of nursing school, I actually worked with adults with developmental disabilities, and the Special Olympics, it was always great to go see them just do the events where it was running or shot put, and they just had so much fun. So it was awesome to work with them, and it's a cause that's very near and dear to my heart. The box brings a magazine and also information on the products and what their price is, the retail price. So how Fabfitfun works, you get a box every season, and you can pay an annual membership and save some money, or you can pay per season. I'll start with this makeup eraser. It's free of alcohol, oils, astringents, harmful chemicals. It's a special blend of polyester, and it helps take off makeup. So it's a makeup remover. It's antibacterial, it's reusable, it lasts from 3 to 5 years. It's great for sensitive skin, and it helps you erase makeup with just water. And I'm a big proponent of the environment. This helps remove the expense of wipes. So this is what it looks like, and then you would just add water and wash your makeup off your face. If you want to know how it worked for me, you can leave a comment below, and I can give you, once I use the products, how I thought that, if I enjoyed the products, how well they worked, etc. So this towel, this makeup eraser towel, is valued at $31. I'm also vegan, so the towel is cruelty-free, and I liked that many of the products in that Fabfitfun partners with is cruelty-free. So anyone that knows me knows I love aviators. Another thing that came that I was really excited about in this box was sunglasses. I'm Hispanic, so I have to say it with the Hispanic way. Oscar de la Renta. So these Oscar de la Renta sunglasses are valued at $58, and I love aviators. So I was very happy to get these sunglasses. Because I partnered with Fabfitfun, I did not choose what was in my Summer's Editor's box. They just sent it to me, but I was very happy with the option. So I will definitely be wearing these sunglasses a lot. Yay! I live in Florida, and it comes in this nice case. It says Oscar de la Renta. So that was the second item in the box. Third item in this box is the Apto skincare product, and it is turmeric and pomegranate. You want to make sure that you shake well before use. So this spray is good. It helps keep the skin moisturized, refreshed. It protects against dry skin. You want to spray generously during dry weather. If you're traveling like on an airplane, airplanes are notoriously bad for your skin. You can also use this to set makeup, and it says to keep you glowing throughout the day. So turmeric and pomegranate. And again, if you want to know how I liked this products, you can always drop a comment below. As always, these are certified vegan and they are cruelty free. And that is the going price for that is $14 retail price. The next item in this box, it's like they knew me. So shout out to Fabfitfun. This Winky Luxe Rainbow Balm. This, by far, one of my favorite. I really like the products in here, but by far one of my favorite. It's super cool. Look, it's like rainbow colored. So the description for this, it says, give your lips a just been kissed flush of color with this tinted and pH hybrid balm. So you can use it on your lips. I have lipstick on right now, but you can use it on your lips, or you can use it on your cheeks for a touch of color. And it has like a nice taste to it. So I mean, don't eat your lip gloss, but it has a nice taste to it. This is also cruelty free. So it has a universally flattering cherry pink shade. It looks like this. Very cool. And it is the rainbow color. Awesome. The price of that lip balm is $18. So again, if you add everything up, you can see that you end up getting more for your money with the FabFitFun box. The next product is a body wash, and it's Epsom salt hand and body wash. So you can use it for body wash or for your hands, for pretty much all over your body. Apply to hands or your body. And it's not tested on animals. Smells good. Smells good. So I will use it. And if you want to know again what I thought about this. Okay. And this was created by Danielle Cuccio. That's why it's called Cuccio Somatology. This is her company. And she's a yoga instructor, a private instructor out in LA. But also cruelty-free. Again, if you want to know how I liked it, let me know. I tried to wait on everything to not use any of the products so I could show them to you guys brand new. This product is the one that I'm kind of about. It's Skinvolve Body Boost Gel. It has menthol plus green tea, and it's supposed to tone, firm, smooth, pre-workout activator. These kind of toning gels, to the best of my knowledge, are a temporary, like they help tone in the temporary. It's not a permanent solution. But let's say you're doing a photo shoot or you're wearing shorts or something and you want to tone up, you could give this a try. I haven't tried this on my thighs to see if it will tone them. So I do have some cellulite on the back of my legs. So we'll see. We'll see how well this works. One of the things in the summer's editor box that I wasn't really sure about. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. This is also cruelty-free and vegan, so that is the bonus. So the price for the Cuccio Somatology is $39.95. The Skinvolve is $45. The last thing that was in my box was this Xocna felt message board. So it's a board where you can put the white letters and, make signs. It's very popular. It brings the letters. It even brings like smiley faces, letters of the alphabet. It brings a carrying case. The price of the Xocna board is $35. It comes with 189 letters, numbers, emojis, and symbols for you to spell out whatever you want. So I think this is pretty cool. I will put it up here, was the Cal Pack. It's set of 3 packing cubes in sorbet color. I love the color. It's really, you can see like the sorbet colors here. It's very, very nice. So as a thank you for watching this video, I am giving away the Cal Pack. The Cal Pack is valued at $40. And it helps you when you are traveling. Instead of even having to put them in drawers, this is... So, and it opens up 360 degrees. So when you're traveling, you could literally just put this in the drawer without having to take clothes out of the drawer. You just take things out of your suitcase, put it in the drawer, open it up, it's good to go. It's hygienic because I don't like things, like sometimes when you go to hotels or wherever you're staying, I don't know, I'm kind of like a germaphobe. I don't want to put my clothes on a drawer that I don't know, like who was there before, was it clean before, etc. This is awesome. It keeps things organized. They come in 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large, all rolled into one to make packing a lot easier on you. So the Cal Pack is valued at $40. The way that it works is that you order the box for each season, and each season you'll get the box filled with 8 to 10 full-size premium products. They're valued at over $200. Each season you choose some products and add-ons you want in your box. You get your box and you explore. And FabFitFun, so after adding all of the products up, the price that I got was $280.95. And the price that you're getting all these products for is $49. So it's definitely a bargain. It's a lot of products. It's definitely a bargain. Do I recommend Fabfitfun? It depends, right? If you are someone that has a lot of allergies, or you're someone that doesn't like to experiment or try new things, and I'm not saying this in a condescending way because we are all different, right? If you like to use the same soap always, or if trying different things gives you skin allergies, then maybe this box is not the best option for you, because trying new products could be harmful for your health or your skin rashes or your conditions, right? If you're a person that is super into like makeup and trendy things and trying new things, then definitely FabFitFun is for you, because the box is always curated with what are the best products out there. There's a lot of research that goes into it. What's the best? What's the latest? What's the trendiest? And they're always looking for quality. So they pick out the latest quality products and they put them all together in a box for you. You will always have a say in what products are in your box, in at least 3 of the products, and then 3 can sometimes be surprises depending on what kind of a box you signed up for. With the Summer's Editors box, items were all sent to me. I didn't get to pick them, and they're all really amazing products. I love the sunglasses. I love the lip balm. I love I mean, it's stuff that you use every day. It really is like, who doesn't use soap? Everybody uses soap. And again, the products are mostly cruelty-free, vegan. So I'm making this video later on in the season, so it's very likely that my affiliate code is probably not working. You can give it a try. I tried it earlier. I don't think it was working. This is just a review. The code that I was given, if you want to give it a try, is Professor B. I will include it below. If it doesn't work, no biggies. Like, it's fine. I was just doing a review to also help you guys out. I think you can no longer order the summer box because summer's over and they're preparing for fall. I will be giving away the Cal Pack, which is valued at $40. If you want to be entered in to win the Cal Pack, then please subscribe to my channel. Find me on IG, Nursing with Professor B. Follow me on IG and send me a screenshot that you have subscribed to my channel through my IG handle. If you win, I will contact you through IG, because through email, anybody can make a fake email account these days. And when I have done giveaways in the past, there was a situation where someone lied about who they were. I will announce the winner of the Cal Pack sometime in August. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, you're watching the channels for when I do the giveaway, and that you don't miss out. It's a giveaway, so I won't be chasing anybody down, knocking on anyone's doors like, hey, you were the winner. It's your responsibility to claim your prize. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure that you subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell.